welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets in this box. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. And I'm in my mom's room just to let you know. So I'm going to start off big. I have this big puppet, a big baby Yoda puppet. But I also have a big square puppet. I don't know if I showed you yet before. But like I lost it, but I had it this morning. So yeah. So now we're going to start showing you what's in the box. What's in this box. So first things first, I'm gonna get something I really love. I love this dimple that I have. So cool. I like the big one. And then something close to that is this dimple fidget spinner. I don't have a simple dimple yet. I used to, not no more. Then I have this Orby stress ball. And then texture DNA ball. Oh, sorry guys. And then I have this little thing that's not really a fidget, but like it's fun to squish. So it's like a little thing right there. I have, for some reason, this came in a fidget pack, but I have this one. I have to move quick. I have magnets. Ow, I pinched myself. Something or whatever. And then I have more magnets. My mini poppets. I have a square mini poppet and these two frog poppets. And then I have like a mini outfit poppet, but I don't work it. I also have like this thing that came in my first fidget pack, if y'all saw that video. Put these down here because I don't have enough. Next thing, I have this boring fidget. And then I have these infinity things, poppet thingies. I have more of those. I have just random pieces in here. So then I have this from my school. It lights up and it's like a squishy ball thing. And then I have mini squishmallows. I have some simple dimples. Well, I do have simple dimples. I'm just kidding. I have this simple dimple. This avocado simple dimple. And this video game simple dimple that says game on it. This one has a heart on it. A smile on it. And we're taking our dog a shower. So if you hear that thing right there, my sister coming out. Look at her right now. Okay, and then I have like a pop tube. I have a Louis Vuitton wallet, and it's mine. And then I have textured monkey noodles. I have a pink one, a purple one, and this bill. Why did you put strings on it? It's fine. She put strings on it for some reason. This one. You're gonna have to do that. So I have like a lot of fidgets. So. Another squishmallow. I don't know where it is, but I already showed them that one. I have a fidget spinner. I don't know why. I just do. I'd like to show you my wallet, but she's gonna say, no. It's my. This is like my sister's thing. Like it's a fidget spinner. Why don't you take it home, Grandma? I'm just gonna keep it. No, you have two more at Grandma's house. And then I have mochis, like a unicorn, this one, and this like pig one. I have these things, these little pop things. I have a lot of these things. It came in a dimple digit, but my friend broke it.
I'm rich.
She has 2 cents. She has 2 cents, guys. Tingles.
Now, because I just found another thing.
Tangles, a lime green one, and a rainbow fluffy one. I have a slingy. Slingy's a heart. Marble mash. I'm just gonna keep that right there. We're almost done. We just have like a couple more. I have a big snake. I have so much fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna put all of them like right now.
I'm not gonna show you my stuff.
Oh, let's do it on another video if she wants to do it. Oh, Bill, can you gather all the fidgets that I dropped and went away? Put it in a big pile. Because I have so much fidgets, I need to put them on the floor. I think I have like 50. I don't know how much. It's in the 50. No, it's in like the 60s. I have like something. Is it okay if I show them this? No. Put that in here. Put that in. Put that thing right there. Over here. Put the fidgets that I dropped. Sorry, guys.
I'm gonna put them here.
Okay. Anyways, I have a little bit more, and then we're gonna show you all the puppets. I have another magnet. I have a magnet ring. Put them all together. My sister's gonna be playing with my fidget. I have a squishy, yummy squishy smell. Now we're gonna make a new pile and put it on the floor. I have a jumbo water snake. It's cool. Oh, I have some magnet balls. I don't know where the rest went. I have these spiky balls. I don't know where the rest went. They're around my whole entire house because those are crazy and they don't know where to stay. They don't know. Some are downstairs on the ceiling. So. And then the poppets. All those poppets right there. Yeah, I'm going to start with the circle poppets. I have a lot of circle poppets. I have 4 circle poppets. So first the classic rainbow poppet. And then this teal poppet. The classic. These are just classic. And then this like tie-dye one like a lot of people have. And then classic, another rainbow poppet. I don't know what. The first the rainbow poppet I showed you is our grandma's. And then square poppets. Normal blue square poppet. This tie-dye kind of colored square poppet. And then I'm going to show you this one. Hexagon. Teal glitter one. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you my favorite one. It's this unicorn one because it's good on both sides. Like, good side, bad side. Good side. Kind of sounds like the bad side's the good side, but it's actually not. Unicorn. And then, like, I just showed you that pink one, so, like, now we're going to do the pink ones I have. Pink pineapple poppet. And a broken heart pink poppet. I have a hard shell poppet, or my friend's hard shell poppet. Because she left it at my house, but she forgot to grab it, so I have it, but I don't know where it went. So if you're watching my video right now, I don't know where your hard shell poppet went. And then this really good poppet.
What hard shell poppet?
The rainbow hard shell poppet, the one with the white outside. Pearls on.
Oh yeah.
This like thing that my sister got for her birthday. Well, we shared a birthday, so oh my god, okay, we're still strong. And then we have a mini version of the Baby Yoda poppet. Here, I want y'all to hear all the pops for the poppets. That's the good side for the Baby Yoda poppet. Bad side for the Baby Yoda poppet. Bad side for the llama poppet. Good side for the llama poppet. Bad side for the broken heart poppet. Good side for the broken heart poppet. Bad side for the pineapple poppet.
Sister, are you gonna post this video?
Yeah. And then good side. Okay. Good side. No. Bad side for the good unicorn puppet. I'm gonna do it like this because it's better. Unicorn puppet. And then good side. That's really good. And then this is kind of good on both sides. Bad side for this one.
Slinky.
Good side. Bad side for this one. It's kind of hard to hear it. And then good side. This one's actually kind of bad because it's.
I don't know why my sister called this a fidget.
Because you can squish it. Bad side, really hard to hear. Good side, still really bad to hear. So this one's bad. You can hear it a little bit when it's on. Stop it. This one, bad side, good side. Bad side, good side. Bad side, good side. And the last puppet, bad side, pretty good. Good side. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. If you like it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Which one was your favorite? I really liked this one. So yeah, if you like it, please like and subscribe. Bye.